The Honda Civic Type R has long been the benchmark for front-wheel drive performance, a car that consistently defies the laws of physics to deliver lap times that put genuine supercars to shame. With the arrival of the FL5 generation, Honda refined that formula to near perfection, creating a mature yet incredibly capable machine. However, for the most hardcore enthusiasts and track day regulars, factory perfection is merely a starting point. This is where the legendary names of Autobacks and ARTA come into play. Standing for Autobacks Racing Team Augury, ARTA is a name synonymous with Japanese motorsport royalty, founded by the iconic former Formula One driver Augury Suzuki. Their presence in the Super GT series has yielded decades of technical expertise, and they have now funneled that racing DNA into a comprehensive new tuning program for the FL5 Civic Type R. Debuting at the prestigious Tokyo Auto Salon, the ARTA Mechanics Civic Type R track kit is a masterclass in functional aesthetics and aerodynamic precision, designed to transform the standard hot hatch into a precision instrument capable of slicing through lap records with ease. At first glance, the ARTA-tuned Civic Type R looks less like a modified street car and more like a vehicle that has escaped from a GT300 starting grid. The visual transformation is dominated by the extensive use of exposed carbon fiber, a material choice that serves the dual purpose of reducing mass and providing a high-tech, aggressive appearance. The front fascia is arguably the most dramatic change, featuring a completely redesigned bumper assembly that incorporates a massive carbon fiber splitter. This component is not just for show, it is engineered to generate significant front-end downforce, ensuring the steering remains sharp and responsive even at triple-digit speeds. Flanking the splitter are integrated canards and enlarged cooling ducts that feed air to the brakes and radiators, addressing the heat management issues that often plague high-performance turbocharged cars during extended track sessions. The hood is another work of art, replaced with a lightweight carbon fiber unit featuring aggressive louvers designed to extract hot air from the engine bay, further enhancing the thermal efficiency of the K20C1 engine. Moving to the side profile, the ARTA kit continues its aerodynamic crusade with a set of widened front fenders that incorporate functional vents behind the wheel arches. These vents are crucial for relieving air pressure built up within the wheel wells, which in turn reduces lift and improves high-speed stability. The side skirts are sculpted from carbon fiber and extend outward to smooth the airflow along the body, leading the eye toward the rear of the car where the most significant changes take place. The rear of the ARTA Civic Type R is a testament to the philosophy that form follows function. The most prominent feature is the towering rear wing, a multi-element carbon fiber structure that is chassis-mounted for maximum rigidity. Unlike the stock wing, which is already quite effective, the ARTA unit offers adjustable angles of attack, allowing drivers to fine-tune the balance of the car depending on the specific characteristics of the circuit they are attacking. Below the wing, a massive rear diffuser dominates the lower portion of the bumper, designed to accelerate airflow under the car and create a low-pressure zone that sucks the rear tires into the pavement. But the ARTA track kit is about more than just wings and splitters. It is a holistic approach to performance. The car sits on a set of bespoke forged alloy wheels finished in a signature dark coating that perfectly complements the carbon fiber accents. These wheels are significantly lighter than the factory units, reducing unsprung weight and allowing the suspension to react more quickly to imperfections in the road or track surface. Wrapped around these wheels are high-performance semi-slick tires that provide the necessary mechanical grip to take full advantage of the increased aerodynamic load. Inside the cabin, ARTA has kept the focus firmly on the driver. While the stock FL5 interior is already excellent, ARTA has added touches that emphasize its racing heritage. Lightweight carbon-backed bucket seats provide superior lateral support, ensuring the driver remains firmly planted during high G cornering. There are also unique trim pieces and ARTA branding throughout the cabin, reminding the occupants that they are sitting in something truly special. Under the skin, while the core of the Civic Type R remains the fantastic 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, the ARTA kit encourages further mechanical refinement. The exhaust system has been upgraded to a high-flow titanium unit that not only saves weight, but also provides a much more visceral and raw soundtrack, allowing the engine to breathe more freely at the top of the rev range. The suspension has seen significant attention too, with a set of adjustable coilovers that have been valved specifically to work in harmony with the new aerodynamic package. This ensures that the car remains composed over curbs while maintaining the stiffness required for high-speed stability. The result of all these changes is a vehicle that feels significantly more focused than the standard car. It is a machine that demands attention and rewards a skilled driver with levels of grip and precision that are usually reserved for dedicated race cars. What makes the ARTA Mechanics kit so appealing to the JDM community is the pedigree behind it. When you buy a kit from a company founded by Aguri Suzuki, you're not just buying parts, you are buying a piece of Japanese motorsport history. Autobax has been a pillar of the Japanese automotive scene for decades, and their racing division has been at the forefront of development in some of the most competitive racing series in the world. This level of expertise ensures that every component in the track kit has been tested and refined to meet the highest standards of performance and durability. It's a clear alternative to other high-end tuners like Mugen or Spoon, offering a more aggressive, race-inspired aesthetic that leans heavily into the modern time attack look. The release of this kit also highlights the enduring popularity of the FL5 platform. Despite the automotive world moving towards electrification, the demand for high-performance internal combustion cars remains stronger than ever, particularly in Japan. The Tokyo Auto Salon serves as the perfect stage for such a reveal, drawing thousands of fans who appreciate the craft of tuning. For many, the ARTA Civic Type R represents the ultimate expression of what the FL5 can become when the constraints of mass production are removed. It is a car built for the track, with a level of finish that allows it to be showcased at the world's premier car shows. As we look towards the future of performance tuning, kits like the one from ARTA show that there is still plenty of innovation left in the world of aerodynamics and lightweight materials. By utilizing advanced carbon fiber manufacturing techniques and wind tunnel testing, tuners are able to extract every last ounce of performance from an already world-class chassis. For the lucky few who will get to own and drive an FL5 equipped with the ARTA full track kit, the experience will likely be transformative. It is a car that turns every commute into a qualifying lap and every weekend trip to the circuit into a professional racing endeavor. The ARTA Mechanics Honda Civic Type R is more than just a modified car. It is a tribute to the spirit of Japanese motorsport and a bold statement of intent in the ever-evolving world of high-performance hatchbacks.